everyone, it's a beautiful Saturday morning. Today is 15th November 2025. What are your plans? Do you do exercise? Do you go to the market to get things? Or are you preparing for an occasion? For me, I'll be going to the market this early morning to get some food stuff for my family. And I believe you too, you have a plan for the day. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vitunde Freke. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Join me while we go to the early morning market. This market is located in a community called Nongbe in Obio Fort, Uyo local government. The market was known as Udwai Goat Market, but later the market has expanded into a very big market. It's an early morning market because if you go to this market around 10 a.m., I don't think you will even find any good thing to buy. A lot of people come to this market to get their early morning food items. This market is mainly for food items. You will get it at a very cheap rate because women coming from the villages to sell in this market. I didn't spend up to 30 minutes because I just went there to get few things. This is where the market was located before, on the right side of the road, but government came, took over the land and they relocated to the left side of the road.
Hi lovers, um back from the market, though I couldn't do a video of the market, but I'm back. Oh, it's really amazing. Things were really water leaf. I can't even buy water leaf, so I have to change my plans. All right.
My plan was to cook melon soup mixed with water leaf and bitter leaf. But when I got to the market, the water leaf was not really what I could buy. I changed my mind to cook ogbono soup. So in my pot I have red meat, all my proteins, including stockfish with dry fish. I added onions to it. I want to first steam it before, when it's ready, I will use it to cook the meal. So that is just that. I have to steam my meat first. I see some people adding water immediately. I don't do mine like that. I don't add water immediately to my meat. I steam it first for it to get the juice from the meat. I added salt, seasoning cubes and grinded pepper to it. It's dry pepper. I gave it a little mix. Then I will allow it to steam for like 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's done, I added little water. I added like 1 cup of water to it. I covered the pot and I allowed the meat to steam for like 10 to 13 minutes. Plugging this fresh odusa leaf from my garden, so I don't need to check if it's much because I plug it from my farm. So we're going to cook together. Odusa leaf is very good, especially if you are able to plant it at the back of your house so that you can pick it at any time you want to pick it and cook your delicious meal for your family. So that's what I do. Because I have it, we have it in excess. So I try all my best to make sure I make good use of this Odusa leaf. So come, let me sell it for you. It's a sell. I'm not giving it free, but for my subscribers, I'll give you free. Don't worry, I'll give you. So you guys, tell me in the comment section if you love Odusa leaf or you've been using it to cook. You've been using it to cook or you don't know about it. You can read about it online. I saw my grandmother planting it. I saw my mom planting it, and I also have to plant it in my own house. So it's just that I have to wash it like 3 times because it grows on the fence. So it's not really like you have to wash it because it grows on the floor or on the ground. But this one, it's on the fence. But I will still wash it so that I will get the dirt out very well. Yeah, my Odusa leaf is clean. Cutting this Odusa leaf into, slicing it into little pieces. Just to slice it as tiny as you can. I'm going to slice it again. When I was in Imo State, that's where I schooled. It says that they call it Odusa, while in Akwa Ibom we call it Odusa. So it's almost the same thing. There are similarities in that. Guys, these are the things I'll be using to cook this ogbono soup. I want to cook ogbono soup. So first I have my seasoning cubes, then my pepper, my crayfish, my periwinkle, my Odusa leaf that I applied, then this my ogbono. I had to put it on inside red oil. I put red oil in it, then I turned it so that I won't see any crumbs when I cook it. So guys, let's go and cook. So my pot was still on fire, steaming the meat. Said I was going to give it 10 to 15 minutes. I added my periwinkle to it. You have to boil the periwinkle first. So I added the periwinkle to the pot of soup and I checked if everything is going as planned or as I want it to be. So the next thing I will add is to add my ogbono that I've already mixed. So if you cook it this way, it will make your ogbono to draw very well, like the way you want it to be. I showed you the way I do my ogbono before cooking. So you give it a good mix so that the ogbono will not stick to one side of the pot. So you mix it and you allow it to boil for a little while. So you can see my ogbono already, the soup is draw. You don't need to add okra to eat. Just cook your ogbono the way you want it. This technique will really make your ogbono to draw. So tell me in the comment section how you cook your ogbono soup. Next thing I added was my fresh pepper. Then I added some seasoning cubes to it. And I also went in with my crayfish. Then I gave it a very good mix. You see already the ogbono is draw. So this is the best way to enjoy your ogbono soup. I tested for the seasoning to check if the seasoning cube that I added is okay. Sorry guys, I didn't video the part that I added the odusa leaf, but this is the way my soup came out. It was so nice and tasteful. Alright, thank you for staying along with me.
Hi people, good to have you here. My name is Flourish. Today my mom is losing my hair so that she'll plait it tomorrow and I'll get ready for the week. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thank you. Bye.
That is my first daughter and this one here is the second one. I'm this kind of person that I love trying things. Though born in a family that I had only one sibling and is a boy. So I had always wanted to learn how to do hair, learn how to plait hair. So me and my cousin, when we were much younger, we normally, she will plait my hair and I will plait her hair. Fortunately for me, I gave birth to children that are blessed with natural hairs. So I love plaiting their hairs unless when I'm too busy. So in their school, they are always giving hairstyles for the week. So this hairstyle will last them for 2 weeks. You could see I'm not really perfect, but I love doing it by myself. So this is me making my kiddies hair so that by Monday they will look good for mommy and daddy. Sometimes when I take my kids out, maybe sometimes when I want them to make their hair outside, people love asking me, do you put treatment? Did you add treatment? Do you do this? No, I didn't add any treatment to their hair. My grandma had a lot of hair and me, I have a lot of hair too, but my problem is when I'm carrying low cuts is because of the eye problems that I have. Sometimes when I plait my hair, it's always giving me pains in the eyes. Once I lose the hair, I will be okay. So I decided to go on low cut. But my kids, I make sure I do their hair whenever I'm less busy. Though it's not really perfect, but it's okay. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, leave a comment in the section. This is the outcome of our hairdo for the week. Thank you.